Welcome to this quick guide on how to create a poll in a WhatsApp group on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to gather opinions from your group members fast, this feature makes that process smooth and simple. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the group you want to poll. Once the app loads, navigate to the specific group where you'd like to collect votes. You'll see the chat window with all recent messages. Just like on mobile, but here we're using the desktop experience for ease of typing and viewing. Next, look for the attach icon inside the chat input area. It's a little paperclip symbol that sits beside the text box. Click it to reveal a menu of sending options. Among these options, you'll find poll. Select poll to begin creating your question and options. This step opens a dedicated poll setup panel right within the group chat. Now it's time to enter your poll details. In the question field, type a AE, clear, concise question that invites a straightforward choice. Keep it neutral to avoid skewing responses. After the question is set, add your vote options in the options field. You can provide multiple choices, each on its own line or in separate option slots, depending on how the desktop version presents the input. Aim for at least 3 options to give members a real range of opinions, but not so many that it becomes overwhelming. With your question and options in place, give everything a quick final check. Ensure there are no typos and that the options are easy to understand. When you're satisfied, click the send icon to publish the poll in the group. The poll now appears as a pinned message or a dedicated poll card, depending on the current interface, and group members can start voting right away. As responses come in, you'll be able to see real-time results. This makes it effortless to gauge the group's sentiment without sifting through individual messages. If needed, you can close the poll or edit it after publishing, depending on the permission set for the group. That's all there is to creating a WhatsApp poll on PC with the newest update. It's a fast, organized way to gather opinions, plan events, or decide on group activities with input from everyone.